Thinking of running a radio ad in the UK but not sure what it'll cost? Let's break it down in under 3 minutes. Radio advertising is still one of the most trusted and effective ways to reach people, whether you're targeting drivers, busy professionals, or local communities. Now, how much it costs depends on a few things. First, time of day. Ads that run during rush hours, like morning and evening, tend to cost more because more people are listening. If you want something more affordable, try midday or late-night slots. Second, station type. National stations give you wider reach, while local stations are more budget-friendly and great for targeting nearby customers. Third, your ad length. The longer your ad, the more it costs to run. Most brands go for 30 or 60 seconds. Fourth, how often your ad runs. One ad isn't enough. You'll need to run your campaign for at least a few days or weeks for real results. Fifth, your location. Ads in major cities can be more expensive due to demand, while smaller towns may be more cost-effective. And finally, production. You'll need a well-written script, a quality voiceover, and clean audio. That's what makes people trust and respond to your ad. There are also a few hidden costs people forget to plan for, like script writing, voice talent, editing, and mixing. Tracking performance with custom links or discount codes. Want to avoid all the back and forth? Blastily can help you choose the right station, create your ad, run it, and track results all in one place. You don't need to guess. So, how much will it actually cost you? That depends on your goals, location, and audience. Instead of guessing, just check the current pricing and packages on blastily.com. To wrap up, radio ads can be powerful. When done right, pick the right station, choose the best time slot, focus on strong messaging, and make sure you track your results. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. And when you're ready to launch your own radio ad, visit blastily.com to get started.